Hey friends, welcome back to the shop for another parts haul video. And this is the last one for those that are following along on Project Clara. If you saw our last one, we had...
we had a very table.
Very table?
Very table. It was a very table full of parts.
It was the biggest and best table ever, I promise you.
The most various of tables.
We had the table loaded up with parts for Clara's 351 Cleveland motor rebuild, and the last few pieces are finally in. So wanted to share this with each of you before it goes over to Steve at Barker Machine, and we don't see him again until we're ready to start doing more of the assembly. So let's start with the shiniest and probably the biggest item on the table. These are the Edelbrock 61625 precision machined heads. We have actually been waiting for these for 4 months since we ordered them. And I can understand why we were waiting, because these things are absolutely gorgeous. But I think probably the coolest part of it that I like is this. That right there I love to see, because these are personalized with 351 Cleveland 2 valve right there on the sides. So no generic heads. Insides, of course, are gorgeous. And the last piece are the pistons. These are
and the rings, because if you like it, you should put a ring on it.
You were waiting to use that, weren't you?
Nope.
Yeah, you were. Well, thank goodness we had that covered in a couple of different ways. These are the Keith Black Pistons. These are 30 over, and these are from United Engine and Machine. These actually took, I think, 4 weeks to come in, so not as bad, but still a little bit of a delay in some of these items out here. Now, I think this is going to be it for the parts that we need for the full assembly. The next episode that I'm hoping to be able to put out for Clara will be one of two, depending on which phone call we get first.
Which?
Which. Yes. It's either going to be the boring and the honing of the blocks, which we've already done a portion of that already, or it's going to be Clara's chemical bath. We're just waiting to see who's going to call us first to go and record, because we get the opportunity to watch both.
I hope it's spa day, and not just because I want to see her clean.
Yeah.
Mostly because I want to see her clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're super excited to see it actually happen. So make sure you stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. See how this continues to develop. It's going to be over a little bit of a period of time, but we're making progress, and that is what matters. So until next week, next episode, take care, stay safe. We'll see you then. Bye.